product sales analysis 3, which is a medium level type. So we have two tables here. First table is sales table, which has 5 columns of same type integer: sales ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price. And we have product table also, which has 2 columns: product ID of type integer and product name of type varchar. So we need to write a solution to select the product ID, year, quantity, and price for the first year of every product sold. Okay. So we need to return the result in any order. So to get the product ID, year, quantity, and price for the first year, we can simply get the product ID and the year in which they have first sold. So for that we can select product ID and minimum of year as first sold from sales table, sales S, and group by product ID, because we want to find the product ID with the minimum year on which they have first sold. So we have the products and the year on which they have first sold. Now we need simply the quantity and price. The quantity and price. But the quantity cannot be aggregated. So what we can do here, we can simply write it as a CTE with CTE as now we will simply join it with another table, that is the same sales table. Select we will select the data. First of all, we need to join the data from sales S, inner join on inner join CTE on S dot product ID is equals to CTE dot product ID and S dot first year. No, S dot year is equals to CTE dot first year. Okay, so now we have uniquely identified the rows by the product ID and on the year, the minimum year, that is the first year. Minimum will give us the first year here. So now we need to select the product ID, that is we can select from any table from CTE, or so let's select it from the CTE table, CTE dot product ID comma first sold, also CTE dot first sold. We will write this column as first year, alias this column as first year. Now we need the quantity and price column which are present in the sales table. So we can select S dot quantity comma S dot price. So I think selected all the columns: product ID, first year, CD dot first sold as first year, S dot quantity and S dot price from sales inner join CTE on S dot product ID is equal to CTE dot product ID and S dot year is equal to CTE dot first year. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, so we have an error on clause on CTE on S dot product price is equal to CTE dot product ID. So we have product ID and S dot year is equal to CTE dot first year. We have CTE dot first sold. Okay, it's not year, it's sold. Yeah, so now let's give it a try. Yeah, it is accepted. So let's submit it. Okay, so the answer is correct.